So I have my paint mixed, and shading is not hard, but it does take a little practice. Remember, this First Lady is your practice run. So you could see I was wetting my brush over here, and then I just pat it out a little bit to get some of the water out. Now you take the corner of your brush and you just dunk it into your paint. So there's just a little bit of paint on the corner of the brush. So if you can see that, where I just brushed right there. See how darker it is over there, and it's light on the other end of the brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line up my brush right along that line and press. Now, I'm sure you can already see that line there. Now, when you stop, rinse, and you cannot start exactly where you left off. Well, you have to start exactly where you left off, but not on where you left off, because the paint will move. Load up with water, pat out a little bit, dip your brush, just the corner, work it out just a little bit. And here I go again. Now this time it seems to be darker, and that's okay. So when this dries, I'll go back and make that side darker. Now we need to see the bottom of her neck. Now, I am removing that. I have a Q-tip because I felt like there was just too much of a line. It wasn't blended out enough. So you just get a Q-tip, wet it, but you have to be kind of fast because the acrylic paint does dry fast. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Let's go back to her face. You know what? I have a problem. My problem is I don't clean as I go. I just can't wait to get into the next project. Very, very bad habit. Don't do as I do, do as I say. Isn't that terrible? All right. I want to get my, that in here so you can see better. There, that's a lot better. Okay, did I tell you I love my monitor? I have a glare here when I'm working, but when I edit the video, it's fine. So I want to go right over here, press, and lift. There. Press and lift. Now her nose. The nose. You can tell I'm hesitant. Okay, here we go.